Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use PowerShare on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on battery. Now here scroll down and click on wireless power sharing. Now to use power share, first of all turn on this on off button. So you have to charge your battery at least 30% to use this power sharing feature. So if your battery is not up to 30%, you will not be able to turn on this wireless power sharing button. So after turning on this button, you can use PowerShare on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.